As you can see in the history trade, we lost 2 times but we win 7 times like this. We make a profit with against the trend, not following the trend. This is a good strategy for you. Yo, what's up guys? If you want to be more serious about making money online with daily trading, I suggest you to join the VIP Club member, because in the VIP Club you will be guided from a clueless trader to a trader who makes consistent profit every day. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mafia Trader. In this video, it is a little different because we will trade against the trend. Usually my strategy is the 7-level strategy. We enter by following the trend directions, but here I will go against the trend. Let's see. I will show you how to make money online with this trading strategy. This is still using my 7-level strategy, but the entry is different. Okay, let's choose a market here. But before we are going to the video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel Mafia Trader, because I'm sure this channel will be useful for you to make a lot of money. Okay, for example, we can call option in this candle before, because here we against the trend. This is a downtrend, right? Let's say this is our red line, okay? When the market is in a downtrend, the price movement will usually make a correction approaching the red line again, and then will continue downwards. So our entry will be here. We choose buy options even the market is in a downtrend. Okay guys, I hope you understand. So this is the reversal from 7-level strategy. You can see this is the red line here. If you don't know about it, you can watch my previous video. Okay guys, I think let's find a good moment. This is not a good moment because this is a golden moment of the 7-level strategy. You need to buy in this situation. So I think let's find another market if you want to practice against the trends with the 7-level strategy. Okay guys, in this market we have a support level, so I will try to buy option here. But if we lost in this trade, that's okay, I will just double it. Loss in trading is not a big problem, okay? Just use money management to recover the loss. Let's see, I think we lost in this trade, it's okay. Let's continue. I will try to find another market to recover. Now like this is the perfect way to against the trend. Okay, I will try to explain to you here. You know that this is a downtrend, right? So the price movement is moving downwards, right? So before continuing a downtrend, the price movement is always making a correction to a red line. So this price will be making a correction again. So that's why we made buy options, and see the MACD is negative. So there's a confirmation that in this market, there is no big momentum for sell option. Okay, let's see our trading here. Three cycle left, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit. You can see that the price movement is making correction to approaching the red line. Let's continue to another moment. Okay guys, we found a market here. I think we can make sell option in the next candle, because we see here the price movement is too far away from the red line. So we'll be make a correction here. I made sell option here. I will try to explain to you. You can see this is the red line. In this market is an uptrend. The price movement is moving upwards. After that, making a correction to touching or approaching the red line like this. This is to fill the imbalance. You can see there is the fair value gap here. After filling the imbalance here, the price movement will be moving upwards and then making a correction again here to approaching the red line, because this is fair value gap again. You can see. We made a profit again. After touching the red line, the price movement will be moving upwards. Okay, let's find a good moment again. Okay guys, I found this market. I think we can make sell option in the next candle because you see the price movement is too far away from the red lines, so the price movement need to respect the red line, approaching the red line, and after that we'll continuing an uptrend. Okay guys, let's wait for the next candle. 5 4 3 2 1. I will make sell options here. Okay, we can analyze this moment. We know that to continuing an uptrend, the price movement need to approaching the red line to make a corrections, and after that, the price movement will flying to the moon again. Okay, let's see. This is 100% profit because I see the confirmation in the MACD. There is no big momentum for buy option. You can see guys, the price movement tried to touching the red line here and we made a profit. And now I made buy option like this to prove it to you that the price movement will continuing moving upwards. You can see all of this candle here is above the red line, so this is an uptrend, and when the candles is touching the red line like this, we can make buy option. So this is the 7-level strategy. I need you to know that this is a good strategy and very simple if you want to be profitable in day trading like this. But because this is binary options, so we can control our expiration. So we don't know that the price movement will moving upwards in what time. Like we don't know. So if you lose here, that's okay. Losing in trading binary option is not a big problem. You can double it so you can recover your losses. Let's see. Okay, I think we lost here. It's okay. I will buy option again here because I still believe that this price movement will moving upwards after making a correction to the red lines. But yeah, of course, in this MACD, we don't have a big momentum. But I'm sure that this is still have a chance to make a profit because you see in the previous candle, the candle is crossing the red line. Okay, let's see our trading. Okay guys, little bit nervous in this trade, but yep, we made a profit again because the price movement is moving upwards. You can see in the history, we lost 2 times and win 5 times. We're losing our moment here. You can see the price movement already making a correction because you know that this is an uptrend, but here there's a resistance level here. So the price movement will be bounced back to a downtrend. It's okay, let's find another market. This is good. You can see this is a huge downtrend, but we can follow the trend again because why? You can see there is a value gap here. The price movement is too aggressive moving downwards. So what I do here is buy option, not sell option. We can analyze this market. I will show you why. This is an aggressive downtrend. Let's say this is the red line, and here there is an imbalance. We have a big bearish candle, so the price movement will make correction to a red line like this, so we can make a profit like this. So here, after making a corrections, there will be 2 possibility because you see there is a support levels here. So there is a chance that the price movement will bounce up to make an uptrend. You can see guys, the price movement is touching the red line making a correction. Okay, special for last trade, I think we can add Bollinger Band. This is my 7 level strategy, so we stop against the trend here. So I recommend you to follow the trend. So here, how to make an easy profitable trade with this 7 level strategy. Okay guys, I will make sell options in this market because this is very perfect for my 7 level strategy. Let's see what I have in this market. We have 3 confirmation. We have a large volatility here. We have a big momentum here. So after the price movement making correction like this, the price movement will continue bounce back, moving downwards like this. This is 100% profitable because here we have a big momentum. If you want to know about this, you can join my VIP club. In this VIP club, I will train you from a clueless trader to a pro trader with my 7 level strategy. This 7 level strategy have a 3 combination, so you have a 3 confirmation before you make an entry for a trade. So your trade will be profitable and will have a high accuracy. If you want to join, you can text me on Telegram. The link is in the description box below. Okay guys, as you can see in the history trade, we lost 2 times but we win 7 times like this. We make a profit with against the trend, not following the trend. This is a good strategy for you. If you can finding a good moment for following the trend, you can try against the trend like this. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm sure this channel, Mafia Trader, will be useful for you to make a lot of money. If you have any question, you can comment in this video. Don't forget to like this video if this video helpful for you. And don't forget to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description box below. You can join my VIP club for free. Okay, thank you.